Hi guys, my name's Mel and I'm one of the trainers and assessors here at Entry Education. My main focus at Entry is the delivery of our Certificate 4 in Real Estate Practice. Prior to coming on board with the vibrant team here, the last 10 years of my career saw me through a number of facets of the real estate industry and its ever-changing market, specialising in property management, training and in all levels of management throughout that time. The course we run at Entry differs quite dramatically to what the market currently offers, whereby we work quite closely with students to ensure they can attain their accreditation efficiently to allow individuals to effectively move into the next stage of their careers. Our uniquely designed structure allows learners the capacity to complete most of the work within the 3-day duration and then endless time to attend to the after-course case studies. Throughout this period, learners do still have access to student support to ensure you receive your certificate. We hope to see you all in our online classrooms soon.